It sure is nice to get out and be able to touch grass again. There are still lots of patches of snow and frozen ponds, but look at that. You can find lots of places where we've got green and the promise of spring. In this episode of Nature Inspired, spring is still promising to open the waterways so the ducks can come farther inland. Although we've only spotted a couple so far, we come across another beaver dam in a swamp. The water's really low due to the freezing activity still occurring overnight. But it's allowed us a great opportunity to see deep down in their trenches. We also have a cookout, a potato and ham hash. It's a SIZZLE-TASTIC campfire. Well, you always have to be on your toes. Just missed my first 2 ducks of the season. A mallard and his mate. Oh, there's the mallard way over there behind the bushes. Don't even believe you can make him out. Actually, there's more. Totally happy. That's a sign of spring. I stopped to take a video of a plant, and there's some tracks here all along the road in the mud. The big beaver house, and the babies got kicked out into the next beaver house because there's not very far that they can go here. It's kind of bizarre that they actually picked a spot that has more spruce than poplar. There's a few willows. But as you can see, the water in their channels are low right now. Still waiting for things to thaw out and fill up the water holes. Here's one of the trenches that the beaver have made as their pathway from their den out to get food and get mud to build. Quite an amazing animal in the wildlife. You can see some of the green is coming out in spots, even though it's frozen. I just want to come over and check out this dry trench here that they built back through. Pretty impressive. They dug all these channels through here. Here's some of the willows and alders that they cut off. We'll go up here on the other side. So look down into the trench. Another house over there. It's probably the only time you'd ever be able to walk out here when it's frozen. Otherwise, it's underwater. It's pretty cool. Golden brown and crunchy. Yeah. Added a little bit of cooked ham, summer savory, salt and pepper, onions, great little hash. Bon appetit, bon appetito. It's been really happening, except for today. We get some rain and there's more activity now than there's been in the sun. We got some geese. They're looking for a place to land. So many places are frozen, it's hard for them. That's cool. The water is very slow opening up. It makes headway in the day, but then it freezes at night. It's hard on the ducks to move farther inland to nest. Bit of a log jam forming there in the corner as the trees fall in and the bank gives way. Here's where a moose came and ate off of this alder or poplar. I'll have to look. I think it's an alder, yeah. Through the winter. Here's the tracks. And gave it a really good going over. Actually just heard the bushes cracking. Maybe it isn't a moose. Maybe it's Bigfoot. Would make sense because it's getting dark. And I don't have my machete.